Welcome to Alam Lao Popo channel. Forklift accidents remain one of the silent dangers in industrial environments. Human errors, blind spots, and environmental factors often lead to devastating incidents. AI technology is now stepping in to detect these threats before they cause harm. AI vision systems identify hazards in real time, giving operators a crucial warning window. Machine learning allows forklifts to recognize unsafe behaviors automatically. These systems analyze patterns from thousands of past incidents to prevent future ones. Instant alerts notify operators of risks like speeding, overloading, or sharp turns. AI-guided forklifts help workers react faster and make safer decisions. AI integration allows forklifts to autonomously slow down in danger zones. Sensors continuously scan for obstacles that humans often overlook. AI can detect fatigue in operators by analyzing their reaction patterns. Smart systems can even intervene automatically to prevent collisions. Predictive maintenance helps identify failing components before breakdowns occur. The system monitors engine temperature, battery health, and vibration anomalies. Preventing equipment failure means preventing accidents caused by sudden malfunctions. AI also optimizes forklift routes to avoid traffic bottlenecks inside warehouses. Smarter navigation leads to smoother operations and reduced collision risks. AI manages load balancing, ensuring forklifts carry safe and stable weight distributions. Unbalanced loads are detected instantly, preventing tip-over accidents. AI reduces operational risks by minimizing human misjudgment. Early adopters report significant reductions in warehouse accidents. These organizations also see improvements in productivity and workflow efficiency. AI solutions enhance safety for both operators and pedestrians. Implementation challenges exist, but the long-term benefits are undeniable. Training workers on AI-assisted forklifts is essential for smooth adoption. The future promises highly automated warehouses with near-zero human error. AI will expand beyond forklifts to other heavy machinery across industries. Imagine a future where industrial environments are completely accident-free. AI-driven forklifts help create safer workflows by removing guesswork from daily operations. Real-time hazard detection becomes stronger as AI systems continue to learn and improve. The more data AI collects, the more accurately it prevents accidents before they occur. Operators gain confidence knowing the system actively supports their decision-making. AI-powered alerts reduce stress and help operators stay focused on essential tasks. AI navigation ensures forklifts maintain safe distances from pedestrians and other vehicles. Collision avoidance technology reacts faster than human reflexes. AI can detect unusual operator behavior, such as sudden steering or erratic speed changes. These insights help supervisors identify when operators need support or training. Smart forklifts contribute to a culture of continuous improvement in the warehouse. AI identifies unsafe routes and automatically recommends safer alternatives. This proactive planning reduces unnecessary travel and increases efficiency. Monitoring forklift stability prevents tipping, one of the most dangerous warehouse incidents. The system adjusts forks automatically to keep loads stable during movement. AI also detects damaged pallets that could collapse during lifting. Such small details, often missed by operators, can prevent major accidents. AI-supported forklifts foster teamwork by synchronizing movements with other machines. This coordination reduces traffic congestion inside busy warehouses. AI ensures every corner, aisle, and dock becomes safer and more predictable. Predictive algorithms help schedule maintenance at the perfect time, never too early or too late. This reduces downtime, repair costs, and unexpected breakdowns. AI-powered condition monitoring protects both the machine and the operator. When AI is integrated properly, accident rates can drop dramatically. Companies adopting AI technologies report safer, faster, and more productive operations. AI transforms workplaces by creating environments where humans and machines work seamlessly. Reducing human error is not about replacing workers, it's about empowering them. The future of material handling will rely heavily on intelligent automation. AI will soon become a standard requirement for warehouse safety worldwide. With AI-driven forklifts, the future of safety is not just possible, it's already happening.